To activate Revolut eSIM, start by ensuring your device is compatible with eSIM technology. Most modern smartphones support eSIM, but it is essential to check your device's specifications to confirm compatibility. Next, open the Revolut app on your device and navigate to the More section. Then select Mobile and click on Get Started with Revolut Mobile. If you do not have a Revolut account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once you have accessed the Revolut Mobile section, select the eSIM option and follow the prompts to download and install the eSIM profile. You will need to scan a QR code provided by Revolut using your device's camera to complete the installation process. After installing the eSIM profile, go to your device's settings and select the Mobile Data or Cellular Data option. Depending on your device, choose the Revolut eSIM plan from the list of available plans and ensure it is enabled. To complete the activation process, you will need to restart your device. Once your device has restarted, the Revolut eSIM should be active, and you can start using it to make calls, send texts, and access the internet. It is essential to note that you may need to manually configure your device's APN settings to ensure proper connectivity. The Revolut app will provide you with the necessary APN settings, which you can enter in your device's settings. Throughout the activation process, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact Revolut's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily activate Revolut eSIM and start enjoying the benefits of a digital SIM card, including convenient management of your mobile plan and easy switching between different SIM profiles.